My uncle Hutch, he's the last of my mother's siblings, and so his presence is very valuable to me. He's had a heart attack in the past, and so I've been more concerned about him managing his health.
Last fall, I was at a conference in San Francisco, the American Public Health Association conference, and the first person I met was a lovely woman who works for APHA, the American Public Health Association, Adrienne Love.
And I said, well, what do you do? And so she described a little bit about what Healthwise did. And I said, oh, it's so funny you should say that, because I just started using this online site to help my uncle manage his health care.
So she lives in Baltimore and he lives in LA, and despite that distance, she's been able to use a patient health portal to have a window into her uncle's health.
If my uncle has tests and I want to know something about the outcome, I can go on to the website and I can check the particular outcome was on that test and then the range that's normal.
And she told me about this health information link that she found, and as she described the way that this information was presented to her so she could learn about the tests that he was having and learn about what was normal and what was abnormal, that this is our stuff. This is Healthwise patient information that's helping her to make better decisions with her uncle and his providers.
The way I use that is if my uncle's not within the normal range, lower or higher, I can go back to his doctor and say, what does this mean? I can't even describe how valuable it is to have technology in order to keep very connected with him and with his care. It's created our own little health community around my Uncle Hutch.
So I just had the most joyful feeling as I listened to her, and I said, you know, that's our stuff. That's what I do. When you meet somebody who's actually experienced your content and you hear how it's changed their lives, it's so inspiring. It's so gratifying.
This technology pulls me in and helps me care for my uncle, and that's important to me. He's been there for me, and I want to make sure he knows I'm there for him.